SOP. In our study, we would like to solve the following question in our statement of the problem. 1. What is the level of satisfaction Bukandala for Imus Cavite residents in broccoli balls in terms of appearance, taste, texture, and aroma? 2. What is the lowest and highest criteria of broccoli balls in terms of appearance, taste, texture, and aroma? 3. What are the overall satisfaction level of broccoli balls? Our study object is to answer the said question. In this presentation, would explain the outcome of the research paper.
Research instrument. In our study, we use survey questionnaires to determine the satisfaction level of the broccoli balls. It is orderly arranged with proper questions to determine the satisfaction level of broccoli balls. We conducted a pilot testing with 30 participants in Bukandala 4, Imus, Cavite. The reliability statistics of our survey were calculated using the Cronbach's Alpha method. We used Likert scale method in the survey to determine the respondents' degree of satisfaction. In the survey, the appearance, texture, taste, and aroma has 5 questions each and how satisfied the respondents is with the product.
Data analysis. The data gathered from the respondents were subjected to the following quantitative analysis. In this study, descriptive statistic was used in the sample group to obtain a clear understanding of the population. Descriptive statistics help describe and understand the features of a specific dataset by giving short summaries about the sample and measures of the data. Frequency was used to identify the distribution of the population. Frequency distribution is a representation either in a graphical or tabular format that displayed the number of observations within a given interval. Mean it was used to determine to average or the most common value in a collection of numbers. In statistics, it is measure of central tendency of a probability distribution along median and mode. Standard deviation. It is the measure of the amount of variation of dispersion of a set of values. A standard deviation is a measure of how dispersed the data is in relation to the mean. Low or small. Standard deviation indicates data are clustered tightly around the mean. And high or large standard deviation indicates data are more spread out.
In table 1.2, the first questionnaire, the respondents strongly agree that the product is flavorful, with the mean of 3.71 and SD of 0.483. The second questionnaire, the respondents strongly agree with the taste of broccoli is well infused. The product with the mean of 3.71 and SD of 0.479. The third questionnaire, the respondents are strongly agree that that there is an overall balance in taste with the mean of 3.54 and SD of 0.539. The fourth questioner. The respondents are strongly agree with the spices and ingredients are well incorporated in the product with the mean of 3.37 and SD of 0.538. The fifth questioner. The respondents are strongly agree that the product's ingredients complement each other with the mean of 3.45 and SD of 0.552. In table 1.3, the first questioner, the respondents are strongly agree with the product is chewy with the mean of 3.69 and SD of 0.501. The second questioner, the respondents are strongly agree that the product is tender with the mean of 3.70 and SD of 0.501. The third questioner, the respondents are strongly agree that the product is not lamb with the mean of 3.69 and SD of 0.50. The fourth questioner, the respondents are strongly agree that the product is crunchy outside and the mean of 3.61 and SD of 0.533. The fifth questioner, the respondents are strongly agree that the product is not oily with the mean of 3.61 and SD of 0.566. In table 1.4, the first questioner, the respondents are strongly agree that the product has a distinct vegetable aroma with the mean of 3.673 and SD of 0.487. The second questioner, the respondents are strongly agree that the aroma enhance the overall eating experience with the mean of 3.77 and SD of 0.472. The third questioner, the respondents are strongly agree that the aroma improved the product with mean of 3.74 and SD of 0.488. The fourth questioner, the respondents are strongly agree that the aroma of the product is appetizing with the mean of 3.75 and SD of 0.49. The fifth questioner, the respondents are strongly agree that the product became more nutritious because of its aroma with the mean of 3.75 and SD of 0.508. As shown in table 2, the highest criteria of broccoli balls are aroma with the mean of 3.748 and the lowest criteria are taste with the mean of 3.6720.
Researchers comes to the very satisfied conclusion that the chosen Bocandala for Imus Cavite residents are inbrokables. Based on the researchers' findings, which had an overall mean of 3.6720, with this the data gathering outcome is very satisfied, and the brokables comes to a successful outcome, resulting in a very satisfied respondents receiving a lot of good feedback.
Researchers could examine the benefits of brokables and how it can affect and help picky eaters to try different food. They can also research about broccoli further and discover other benefits about broccoli and brokables. Food specialists and individuals who accomplish seminar could use this research and expand the taste of the product. Since they are already a food specialist, they can innovate the product and release another version of the product. Curious individual who wants to know about broccoli and want a substitute to meaty foods can also do this study.